The Valley of the Kings rests quietly beneath the scorching Egyptian sun, holding secrets of the ancient world within its dusty burial chambers. Among them lies the tomb of Tutankhamun, the boy king whose reign has captivated the imaginations of historians and archaeologists for generations. The story begins in 1922 when British archaeologist Howard Carter stumbled upon the near-intact tomb of Pharaoh Tutankhamun. Little did he know, the discovery would spark a long-standing fascination and rumors of a curse. As Carter and his team of explorers unveiled the treasures buried alongside the young king, an aura of mystery began to grow. Lavish goods, golden chariots, and intricate jewelry filled the tomb, speaking volumes of Tutankhamun's status and wealth. But amidst the treasures lay a chilling warning. An inscription, slightly obscured by the sands of time, read, "Death shall come on swift wings to him who disturbs the peace of the king." It was an ominous declaration that would soon capture public fascination as the supposed curse of the pharaoh. Not long after, Lord Carnarvon, Carter's patron and one of the first to enter the tomb, died of a sudden illness, fueling rumors of a curse. Newspapers around the globe seized onto the sensational story, and soon, the world was abuzz with tales of the misfortunes that befell those connected to the tomb. Despite skeptics dismissing the curse as mere coincidence, the mysterious deaths and accidents kept accumulating. From a cobra slinking into Carter's canary cage, to the sudden demise of others involved, legends of the curse continued to circulate. Still, for historians and archaeologists, the real allure lay within the tomb's historical significance and the light it shed on ancient Egypt. Tutankhamun's grave was an unprecedented find that provided invaluable insight into the burial practices and daily life of Egypt's storied past. The tomb also became a gateway to debates over the ethics of cultural exploration and the preservation of ancestral heritage. It raised questions about the impact of foreign invasions into sacred grounds and whether the potential disruption was worth the knowledge gained. Beyond the superstition and tales of curses, the enduring legacy of Tutankhamun's tomb is its contribution to our understanding of ancient civilization. It is a mesmerizing chapter of history where myth and reality intertwine, reminding us of the vast mysteries that still lie buried under the sands of time. In the end, the curse is but a footnote in the mysterious narrative of Tutankhamun's resting place, a place where history, legend, and intrigue continue to captivate the human spirit with wonder and curiosity.